kube kuya ngokwesimo indlela bekuyisona mhlambe ngabe khulunywa okunye namhlanje. It was too bad, too rough. But get at where God shows up. Mene kanjalo. Where we hopeless, no one to help us. But uyangena ayibonakalise uNkulunkulu. And one thing that we need to remain strong about is that uNkulunkulu ngaphambi kokuba kufake esimeni, he make sure ukuthi akakufake ngakuthembi esimeni, so usuke esithembile. It's unfortunately nje ukuthi we have to experience some of the things with our kids, which is the most painful thing. But we trust the Lord. I can uNkulunkulu akalenzi iphutha. Mhlambe there's a lesson that we were supposed to learn sonke as a family. Not just me alone, but sonke as a family. But we're happy with one thing, ukuthi akekho umuntu olimele. It was really rough, but akekho olimele. We are all alive. Akekho shonile and all. Yeah, so from now going forward, for now, since we haven't got the phones and all, but if there's someone who's good with the IT thing, who can assist us in recovering the other page, singajabula to get that assistant. And as well, someone about lezinto zama tracking something. They can also assist us on to charity trained manje. Can't even think straight. There was a lot happening as from Sunday until now. But yeah, as you see me, I'm still alive. Gonna bounce back. Life is uqhubeka because we are still alive. We cannot allow devil to celebrate in whatever that he was trying to do. But all I'm trying to say is that ngiyacela laba balokuthi it's a fake account. Ngicela bami kancane, it's not a fake account. Bengithi ngizowenza kusasa lo live, and then my guy asked me ukuthi ucela ngenze just a quick one to show ukuthi imina, and we are working on this page. And well, I think full details will follow. Mangabe umuntu ese right, ese in good energy. That's what I love the most. That's what I love to good energy, positive energy. That yokumuvela phambili. So yeah, please also the old page, I'll try to take whenever I'm doing things, but I'm not sure if it will show for now. But if there's anyone who's good at Lesintozabo IT who can recover that page, I can be very happy. And Hlambang inbox, so that we'll try and see what is possible. And also, yeah. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much to those before now, to those who were sending messages ever since Bezwile. My friends will keep on coming here every day. Thank you so much to Jumbo for the support as well. From the very first day, he's the first person that I called. One of the first people that I called after we had the situation as Velela, and he made sure that he showed up as early as possible. And yeah, together with Striker. Yeah, guys, yeah, but impilo isifundisa izinto eziningi impilo is iyasiqinisa. As I said, uthi uNkulunkulu akalenzi iphutha. Okay, mhlambe kwabe bengakwezwa, can see abanye bayabhala what happened. Mhlambe just a brief one. But though I tried and ngayisho emini on Jumbo's page, but kulapho bengagezwa, we had a break in on Sunday. La singenelwe khona abantu ebusuku. But ke normally silala late vele. Sangenelwa abantu around 12:30 to 1. We saw them sebengaphakathi, and yeah, a lot happened. Masikhomba ngebhamu, sonke nefamily. Then they took everything, all the TVs, watches, money, cash yayikhona, clothes, shoes. Yeah, fine ukuqala phansi nje. Yeah, can you imagine amadoda amane kuya kwamahlanu? Wow. Ephethe ibhamu ngaphakathi endlini, the trauma enganeni, inkosikazi and all. It was such a traumatic moment, but engangikhulekela in that situation is for us to be safe, because uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukwenza indlela yokuthi even in whatever situation alethe nje that peace. So there was peace that God provided during the situation. I cooperate. God gave me nje spirit of cooperate. Ayazi engisondelene nabo angicooperate kalula. Even my wife was amazed. But God, well, I had to make sure that the family is safe. And then they took everything, including the car. They drove away with the car. Recover the motor. That's where they put his into. And then they locked us in one of the bathrooms, toilets rather. Basivalela khona for good 3 to 4 hours until Usmangage was very lucky because he was not a part of all this. I think abambonanga erumini lakhe bafike nje bathatha uNdumiso kuphela, and then Usmanga was able to open for us la esasivalelwe khona. Yeah, so it's just a quick update to those abafisa ukwazi. But ngiyazi ukuthi impahla zikho kude kakhulu. I think they are around Durban, around Nanda, because imoto was found Ohlange with, so I believe impahla zikho kude zilayite, so they will try and sell them. Please help us to find what we can find. But most important things, I want my phones. If I can get my phones, my life can be fine, because there are a lot of things my phone in. So yeah, if I can find my phones, I can be fine. I can be much better than what I am right now. So yeah, umuntu nje usadlula, because we don't stay, we don't dwell in these things. It's unfortunate ukuthi abazalwane will yes yeah engiphazamisa long phone line. Bengisathini konje sengikhohliwe ingqondo yami yaphithizela. But again, that was a quick update. I'll be using this page for now, likaNdumiso, because abantu bazobuza kanjani Ndumiso lona lisinde kanjani. Ndumiso's phone ayithathwanga yona. Ndumiso ke kwagcina yona sagcina sishiyelwe yona. Yeah, there's a lot of testimony that I will come with. Yeah, but there's a lot of testimony. You know, in each and every situation you need to come out with the testimony. So even in this one, I come out. Musamba Nkombozi. Oh, abazalwane, they will know what he they're saying if you go to iStore, they can't track your phone. I think they will. It will depend because the ilokuzana open. Well, I'll try to work on that. There's a IT guy who's trying to assist me with that. So I hopefully I can be very happy. On Sunday, I was talking with a similar situation. Yoguti uNkulunkulu loves us without izinto esinazo, without tangible things. So to him, lezi zinto lezi tangible zonke, whether it's a house, it's a car, TV zonke lezi nalezi zinto lezi eyihambile, akuzona ezisifaka ivelu kuNkulunkulu ezithina senza ezabantu ukuthi even one will try and athenge izinto ezibizayo just because ufuna ukuthola ivelu. uNkulunkulu as long as usanomphefumulo unevelu kuyena. That's what I was talking about. Not knowing ukuthi ngalobo busuku kuzofanele ngibe umzekelo walokho ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakufuni lokho. Nangokumnikazi wepage ngelela.
Hello guys.
Khuluma isigama ke simehlele kanye nomndeni wakhe.